When a city coach can't make it home, you don't fix it roadside, you stabilize it. This coach was mid-route when the driver dropped passengers at a station and noticed the rear-powered emergency door would not close. He called it in immediately. A technician drove to the location on a breakdown call, not to complete a repair, but to make the vehicle safe enough to move. To allow the coach return to her Home Depot, the emergency door interlock was temporarily bypassed. That allowed the control unit to accept a close command without waiting for all safety confirmations. The door closed, not because the fault was resolved, but because the system was instructed to ignore it. That stabilization bought time, not a solution. Once the vehicle was back in the workshop, the real troubleshooting began. Diagnostics showed the emergency door fully open micro switch was on, the emergency door handle not requested was on, and the emergency door sensitive edge was also on. With those inputs active, the system believed the door was still in a safety open condition, so the close cycle was blocked. During testing, the behavior was inconsistent. Sometimes the door would close, then immediately reopen. On the laptop, the status snapped straight back to open. That's not a software failure, that's an intermittent input fault. The investigation shifted from commands to confirmations. At the pressure switch, the issue revealed itself. One terminal wire had broken. The door could begin a cycle, but the pressure confirmation never completed it. Further inspection confirmed the pattern. The wiring responsible for the first two on signals was also damaged. Multiple broken conductors, same connector, same circuit group. The connector plug was replaced, and the pressure switch terminals were cleaned of corrosion and secured. At that point, a controlled system reset was carried out, not to hide the fault, but to clear latched safety states and allow the control unit to reevaluate the door inputs with clean, stable signals. With the system reinitialized, the door was tested from the dashboard and from the rear emergency button. Open, close, cycle complete. No false open status, no re-trigger. The bypass got the coach off the station and back home. Diagnostics and proper signal integrity got it fixed. Bypasses move vehicles. Diagnostics repair systems.